Killas? It's your boy, Killa Cam here, and today we're at Florence Motor Speedway for the championship night. Currently, I am in P2 in points, and it's going to be a very rare chance I'm going to win the championship, but what goes, goes. And I'll see y'all later in the video. Peace. I'd like to thank all our new sponsors, Lennox Roofing, Tide Chaser Enterprises, Coastal Marine, Palmetto State Armory, and yeah, I really appreciate it for coming a new sponsor. All right, peace. That wasn't what we said.
Hey, you're making it look like I beat myself.
Guys, I didn't really get to explain this good at the track, but currently right now we are having a red flag and we've had problems turning off the car. So now when we get it to turn, when we turn it on, now it's just idled up and my dad has to run across the track and go bend the throttle cord to get it all fixed. And we've been struggling with these problems all day, and yeah, but thanks, Dad, for the help, and yeah, that's all I gotta say. Peace. Listen right here when the car tries to cut off. It won't cut off. Alright guys, we just got done with first practice. Apparently the throttle got stuck, so I'm holding the brake in. Then we stopped on the front straightaway. My dad had to come run across the track, come help me. Thanks, Dad, and I want to thank Jeremiah too, because he ran over the track and came help. Apparently the throttle stuck me. He was telling me to pump it. I pumped it, got all better. We went out, and then these cars need to get up the momentum. That's all about momentum here. When I go to the gas, it's and it'll just stay in a certain spot for about, I don't know, 10 seconds, and then it'll start going super fast. And I'm guessing that the brake's dragging a little. We just got that done, checked, we're all good. And I'll talk to y'all later after qualifying. Peace.
subscribe to Killa Cam.
Let's go.
No one likes this kid.
Now this guy wants to get on the vlog.
Remember, into one, okay? Don't run it up in the sand. Just hold it straight longer than down, okay?
Was my art good there?
Yeah, looks good. But it's really close, okay? How was the car, okay?
It was okay. It's just, if I like drove it any harder in the 3, I would lose it. And I'm not going to try to drive it super hard in 3, but I'm driving decently hard.
We gotta drive it hard as we can. 20 cars here. We gotta get a good qualifying. We gotta get a good qualifying spot.
Qualifying. I'm not really sure where we qualified, but I do know this. We ran 22:15, and the leaders are running 21:90s. So we just need to get up with the pack, pick up a 10th or 2. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all later. Peace.
Alright, we're getting ready for qualifying. We just got through tag. That was quite the experience. I got my man Killa Cam Truett here. He's got a YouTube channel. I'm going to let him tell you guys a little bit about what he does. Then I'm going to drop the link in the description, and I'm going to comment his channel and tag it at the very bottom of this video in the comments and pin it so that you guys can go find him. Support this man. He's on his way. How many subscribers do you have?
I have 450 currently.
450. Let's get him to 1,000. That's our goal.
Yeah, let's go.
1,000 subscribers.
Trying to get demonetized. Well, my name's Killa Cam Truett. I'm 9 years old. My dream's to be a NASCAR driver. And currently, right now, I'm driving the Bandolero division. I'm not sure where I qualified, but I know I ran a pretty solid time. And yeah, that's all I got to say. Well, Landon, I got a couple questions for you. Mind if I ask one?
All right, go for it.
Question number 1: why did you come to Florence Motor Speedway this weekend?
Because Hickory sucks. No, I'm just kidding. I raced Florence at the end of last year, and I've been telling Steve that I was going to come out here, and I like the place, it's fun, and I wanted to bring my own bike out here and give them a little bit of exposure.
Yep, especially the reason why Hickory sucks is because you got kicked out with Air Doug and Dave.
Well, I didn't get kicked out, I just chose to leave. But it's alright, it ain't gonna happen. I'm going to watch you go to the front line, alright?
Yes, sir. Alright, question number 2. Why are you number 75?
That was my dad's number. So I'm to get loud, but make sure you got
Big shout out to my boy Landon Huffman. He's a vlogger just like me. And make sure to go check out his channel on YouTube at Landon Huffman. And make sure to go check out his podcast on any podcast platform at Huffman Racing. See y'all later. Peace.
Alright, y'all, we're going to get in the car. Ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Where do you qualify at?
I believe 6th or 7th.
Yep. Alright.
I'll see y'all later in the video. Peace. championship, but congratulations to Owen Zacharias, number 35. And I want to thank my team and all my sponsors for helping me all year. And hopefully we'll get it next year. Peace.